Hey friends, it's Erica. Welcome back. I have another process video for the Hip Kit Club creative team, and I'm going to be using the March 2023 kits. I am starting out with a piece of white cardstock and using my foam tape roll to just trace a circle in the center of the paper. And then I'm going to take the mixed media stamp set and use the smaller stamp here, which is like a splatter stamp, and just stamp it all around that circle with using some black ink. The black ink was in one of the Pocket Life kits. I think it was from last month, from Catherine Pooler. So I'm just going to get that inked up and stamp around the page. And most of it is going to be covered up, but I just wanted a little bit of this kind of peeking around the butterflies that I have fussy cut. So one of the 12 by 12 papers in this kit is like covered in these beautiful butterflies that have like watercolor all over them. They're all different colors, and as soon as I saw the paper, I knew that I was going to use one of those 12 by 12 papers that I received to fussy cut all of the florals, or not florals, but butterflies, and then create some type of a circle element in the center of the page using all of these fussy cut butterflies. So that's what I'm going to do now, and I'm just going to place them in that circle, and then I'll have these. So once I get all of the stamping done, I'm going to lay out the fussy cut butterflies in that circle and then get them stuck down with wet adhesive, and then I'm going to go in with extra butterflies and then layer some of them up so that some of them are dimensional, and then I'll like pop up the wings, and I think I only do that on just a few of them, just so that it's a little more dimensional and filled out. So I'm just going to go ahead and lay them all out and then get them all stuck down. And then the ones that I do layer up, I do use foam adhesive just so that they're more popped up and kind of sticking up. So once I have all that down, I'm going to get my photo. I have a black and white photo printed out, and it's one of the photos that I took at She Loves Color, and it's of my sister-in-law and our friend Shannon, and we went to lunch between classes, and we just snapped a photo real quick while we were waiting to be seated. So I just printed that out in black and white. Then I'm going to add some layers behind it using pattern papers from the kit. I use a really pretty aqua one and then a black and white pattern paper, and then I will go in and ruffle up the edges of the paper. So I do use mostly the Simple Stories products that are in these kits. They went really well with the butterflies and the colors in these butterflies. So I just pulled most of the products and embellishments from the Simple Stories products. Really, really pretty florals, and I love all of the pops of black in here. So I'm going to get all of these stuck down, going all the way around, and I love the way that this turned out. I am going to, or I did already trim the white cardstock, so you can see that I think I trimmed like 1.25 inches off of the side, so that I'm going to go ahead and take this white cardstock with the butterfly wreath around it and then adhere it to a piece of pattern paper from the kit. There was a black and white paper in here that I absolutely love, so I use that so that there'd be some black and white on the left and right of the page, and I love the way that that looks. I love black and white. It's like my favorite, and I just loved this black and white paper, so I really wanted to use it. So I have that kind of sticking out on the left and right sides, and then I'm going to end up distressing the edges of the right and left of the white cardstock. And then I realized that I had more white space on the left side when I was finished. So what I did was ended up like distressing in the middle of the white cardstock on the left and like putting like a tear just to kind of make it not so noticeable, I guess. But anyway, you'll see that in the still shots at the end. So I'm just going to go in and get these edges distressed. These kits are absolutely gorgeous. I just love the feel of them this month. They're just so pretty, a little bit of vintage. Love all the mixed media elements in here and all of the beautiful colors. It's just so much fun. So I love this pop of black and white on the edges. It's just so pretty, and I just love that the way this turned out. So I'm just using my tape runner from Scrapbook Adhesives by 3L to get that stuck down, and then I'm going to start to embellish. The embellishing went really quick after I got my photo stuck down. I'm going to pop that up right here to the right, and then add some layers behind the photo just to get it matted and add some more color back there. Then I'm going to go through the sticker book from the Simple Stories collection. And there are like these, I don't know, like labels or postage stamps, stickers in there. And I'm going to add a few of those behind the photo as well. Just kind of get them stuck down just to add some more color up at the top. And then on the left side of the photo. The sticker book is got so many elements in it, like circle stickers, label stickers, florals, postage stamps. There's title pieces, tons of like a whole page of butterflies, a whole page of florals. It's really, really fun. I absolutely love the sticker book. So I'm so glad that that was included in this kit because there's so much in there. So here are those stickers, and I cut them apart and then just layer them in around the photo just to add some more layer and color behind there. Here's some like border strips. So I had a black like scallop. I'm going to put that towards the bottom of the photo and then layer up a pink and a purple one at the top. And then on the side, I add a couple more there to the side, to the left side of the photo. For my title, I'm going to use a cardstock sticker from the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. And let's see, it says Life in Bloom, and I have that popped up there to the left. That way it's kind of touching the butterfly wreath and then also touching the photo as well. And then underneath the photo, I have like a banner, another cardstock sticker. It's a banner piece, and that is under the photo, and it goes right under the title as well. So it kind of connects the two together. I do go in and add some of the adhesive brads around the layout, and then tuck some of them in around the title and to the right of the photo. And then I do pop in some floral stickers up at the top of the photo, and then a label sticker that says memories. And then in the on the adhesive brad sheet, there are some chipboard elements. There's a chipboard floral with a little butterfly. I add that to the bottom right of the photo. And then there is an adorable camera that I add there as well. And then that pretty much finishes it up. I do add a heart to the banner that I have there, and then I put an adhesive brad on the banner as well. And then use another chipboard butterfly, and I pop that up right above the title where it says Life In. And that goes over to the left of the wreath. There it is right there, and I have that popped up on foam adhesive. And then that pretty much finishes it up. Super simple layout. I love the black splatter. I love all of beautiful butterflies, and it's really hard to see on camera, but the ones that are like doubled up, they're really dimensional and really, really pretty. I just absolutely love the way that this layout turned out. It's so pretty. And then the black and white stripes on the side are like my favorite. This was a really, really fun time, the event, and I just love the way that this turned out. So I will have some still shots for you guys at the end, and I will leave links to everything down below. Make sure you head on over to the Hip Kit Club site, check out all the kits. And we're getting ready for April kits to ship soon, and we cannot wait to start creating with those so that you guys can see everything and have all the inspiration for these. So I will see you guys in my next video, and I will see you guys soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.